Hey escapers, and welcome back to another video with your girl Escape with Dev. This is another drive-through house tour. But escapers, before we get into the video, I just want you to take a quick look at this Bible passage on your screen. Now, I know that not many people may be religious, but I truly believe that believing in something, speaking positivity over your life is very beneficial for your mental and for just those next big amazing steps that you want to take in life. For me, of course, I believe in God, but I truly know that other people may believe in other things, and whatever you believe in, each to their own. But I just want you to always have a positive mindset, even when you think that things are dark, they're gloomy, that you can't achieve anything, that you don't have no money, you're not where you want to be, you're getting older, people are looking down at you. I want you to block those things out, and at some point in your day, in your week, in your month, in your year, I want you to just have that mindset to always speak positivity over your life. Tell yourself that I can achieve this. Tell yourself that I am worthy. Tell yourself that I'm successful. I'm a king. I'm a queen. I'm going to do this and I will do this. So yeah, I'm incorporating that into the video because I know that as you look at these beautiful homes, I know that a lot of you want to achieve great things and to build your house, to buy a house, to create generational wealth. I know you want to do that. So while you're watching this, I don't want you to feel, if you're not there yet, I don't want you to feel downhearted. I want you to feel lifted. I want you to say, yes, I'm going to do that. That's going to be me in the next 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. It doesn't matter. I'm going to do that. And yeah, just keep positive, guys. I love you escapers so much, and I just want to see everybody achieve and win, and just keep the faith. And I'm always praying for my escapers, so I love you guys. And look at these houses though, look how amazing they are, guys. And I'm just so happy to see that people are excelling in Jamaica, building, just doing the big things out here. And no matter what they say about our little island, people are winning in Jamaica, and we love to see it. And all over other parts of the world, people are winning. In Africa, all of these places that people look down on, people are winning, and we love that for us. And so yeah, just love it. And I'm not going to say no more. I'm going to let you guys see these beautiful homes in Mandeville. It is a short video, but just take it in, and I will speak to you guys soon. I love you. Stay prayed up, stay blessed up. You guys are worth it. Love you. driving.
How much it takes 20 years out of this house, eh?
Yeah, all of this will have houses for sure.
Next 20 years, what else? You could
Yeah, this is gonna be house.
Right.
Someone's gonna
You have
find
land.
use of it. Oh, look at that one over there. Yeah, there is land. This is land. You just need
to the
to.
town.
Yeah.
I can't stop. Come on, listen.
Oh yeah. Oh, the sun. One of the original.
First
houses.
house.
The sun
one of
is
the
kind of
first
blinding it,
residents.
but yeah.
They were the original dwellers.
Mandeville.
People. So all these people come to run out.
With these big houses, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, like down. Like most of them are down.
Original.
Like down.
Original houses.
Original houses.
This is what I was
Uncle's trying to find the big house. He found it anyway. It must be this. So we're driving up on a. Oh, this isn't it. It's an apartment, yeah.
Bigger?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's huge. What's that?
Hey, Mandeville bigger?
Oh, this is sick. Wait, is that like a whole view for them?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Yes. Is the Mandeville bigger?
Mandeville is big.
Cute.
Look, yeah, that's cute.
Mandeville too big one. Everywhere you go, it's development.
Yeah, it's true. Every corner.
And view.
But this is a nice view if you're up here.
This house has a good view.
Yeah, they've got amazing view.
Where's the big house? I missed the big house again. So they didn't run out too.
Oh, we're on a dead end road. Right here would perfect. Right here, if you have a spot right here, perfect. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Yeah. Up here.
Perfect.
You're going up to look. If you build a house right here, it would be so, wow, like right here. If you build a house right here, you guys can see my shadow. Whoa. Yeah, I would want my house here, sitting on top of the world. Like, definitely want my house here. This is so nice. Looking down at all these nice houses. See if we can get a close-up view of Mandeville, but I can't. The view is nice. Look at all of that.
Is that nice?
See all the house.
Spot?
Yeah, like right here.
Right here. Look at this. Land.
It's nice. If you have land, just right here. Just knock out all of this and have your house here. Oh, it's pretty. In the nighttime, this must be so pretty. Nice. Someone's gonna build here though, for sure. Yeah. Somebody's got a nice little getaway house there. It's a dead end stretch. I don't know what it is, but it looks interesting.
I didn't know.
Oh, look at this one. See? Look at that.
Look at this one. I'm gonna finish it.
It's not finished yet, but it looks like it's gonna be a nice piece. I don't know. Maybe it's a 1-bedroom right here, but it's still something. There we go, building. Hold on. Oh, sorry guys. They're playing dominoes. Oh, this is leading out to shops and stuff. It's a bar. Yeah.
Welcome in Mandeville.
Hey! Rocketson Drive. Oh god. He said video. We came this side because we saw this 7-Eleven in this jet.